which is the sartorius, which is reflective. And
36.
What about 35? 35 is the gracilis, which is reflective.
36.
36. Okay. That one, yeah.
What is 36?
Abductor femoris.
Adductor femoris. 36. 37 is
Biceps femoris.
biceps femoris. Flip it over. It's the big bone muscle on the back.
Okay.
38. Semitendinosus.
38 is semitendinosus.
39. Semimembraniosus.
Other side. Here.
Semimembranosus underneath the gracilis. 39.
40. Vastus lateralis.
40 is here. We had to cut through the tensor fasciae latae to get to it. And the 40, which is underneath the sartorius.
Vastus medialis.
41.
Vastus medialis is number 41. Call the numbers. 41.
I see.
That's all I'm looking for is numbers.
Okay, 41.
41 is vastus medialis.
42. Vastus intermedius.
Other side. 42.
Oh wait, we don't have that. It's on the cat.
43.
43.
Rectus femoris.
Rectus femoris.
44.
Not very good on this cat. The rectus femoris is here in the middle. Lateris medialis is 41 on the side.
44.
On the other side. Opposite way. Opposite way. Turn the cat.
I know, but you skipped one. 44. It's the gastric medius right here. We had to cut this piece off.
What do we miss?
45 is the tibialis anterior.
Charlie.
Right here on top of the tibialis bone, the anterior side. Okay, who asked me? 46 is the soleus, right underneath the gastric medius.
47. Fibularis
47 is the
longus.
fibularis longus. 47 is here, it comes down to that side of the ankle bone.
And
48. Extensor digitorum longus.
48 is the extensor digitorum longus,
Okay.
which is right underneath the anterior tibularis.